Welcome to the SureCommand registration and login tutorial. Before you could log into the SureCommand account, you must have a SureCommand profile. To do that, you need to go to the SureCommand website, www.surecommand.com, and land on the home page where you can scroll down to the Join Our Business Network Today section to view the registration form. When registering for a SureCommand profile account, you will need to use your full name, including your middle name, your real date of birth, and to fill out the other fields as required. Once you have filled those fields out, you will then need to select the checkbox for the license service agreement and privacy statement before you could submit your registration application. If an account already exists, the SureCommand website will advise you to avoid any duplication. This may occur if your employer or your school has already registered an account at one point in your life. If that is the case, then simply select the login button to land on the login page. In the login page, you will see two fields and a couple of features. Two fields are the username and password that you use to register your account. You'll also see a I'm not a robot verification feature. Please select the checkbox and process the I'm not a robot requirements before you can select the login button. In many cases, you will be asked to enter a two-part authentication code. This code will be either sent to your email or your cell phone. Once you select the two-part authentication code and enter it into the two-part authentication code field, you will then be able to log into the SureCommand system. Remember, when you register, you will be sent an activation link where you will have to select that activation link to activate the account in order to log into your profile. Without that activation process being performed, you will not be able to log into your SureCommand account. If you have forgotten your password, select the Forgot Password link and it will take you to the Forgot Password screen where you can enter your email to re-establish your password. For more information, please log on to the SureCommand website. Thank you for choosing SureCommand.